basic video of how Minifix connector works. Follow this throughout. This is nylon socket. Place the nylon socket in its respective place and knock it with the soft hammer. This is the Minifix screw. Fix the Minifix screws in their respective nylon socket with the help of given screwdriver. This is the Minifix housing. Make sure the Minifix housing is perfectly mounted in its hole. The arrow in the Minifix housing must be facing the hole in the side of the board. Place the wooden dowel in the hole opposite to the Minifix housing and knock it using the soft hammer. Now while fixing, make sure the Minifix screw is perfectly mounted. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. This is the difference between Minifix screw is unlocked and locked. Pick board 3 and attach boards 2. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Place board 1 and attach prefix 2 and 3 board, ensuring the dowels and Minifix housing are perfectly inserted. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Pick board 4 and attach it to 2 and 3 boards. Adjust and fix it slantingly. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Pick board 6 and attach it to board 5. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Attach 5 and 6 to 2 and 4 boards. Adjust and fix it slantingly and slowly. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Insert the screws in the bushes. Carefully place it on the marked places in boards 2 and 5. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Carefully turn the unit up straight, bushes in the bottom. Your product is ready to use.